Hello everyone, I am Ashish Shore, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Sagar Institute of Research and Technology. Today I am giving a lecture on division algorithm, that is a topic under computer organization and architecture. So let's start. In this topic, we are covering introduction of division algorithm, prerequisites to solve the questions by division algorithm, flowchart of division algorithm, flowchart descriptions, some key points, and we solve one example and understand the division algorithm. Now, introduction. Division algorithm is used for perform division operation on binary numbers in computers. Prerequisites to solve the questions by division algorithm. Number one, conversions. Before we solve the questions by division algorithm, or we learn the division algorithm, some basics of the division algorithm is prerequisites, like conversions, binary to decimal or decimal to binary. And number two, sign magnitude representation. We covered this topic already in Booth multiplication algorithm, uh, and some micro operations are also used in division algorithm, so we also know about it. And the most important, understood the sign in division algorithm. So this is the new thing in the division algorithm. So we cover this point, understand the sign in division algorithm. So there is a two input sign and two output sign. AS is a sign of dividend, BS is a sign of divisor, QS is a sign of quotient, and RS is a sign of remainder. Now, if the sign of AS and BS both are equal or same, then the sign of QS or quotient is positive. Otherwise, the sign of dividend and divisor are not equal, then the sign of quotient is negative. And thus, if we talk about the sign of remainder, so it is simply follow the sign of dividend. For example, here I am giving one example of sign in division algorithm. Now, the flowchart of the algorithm. The first thing is that AC is initialized by 0, Q is dividend, M is divisor, C initialized by 0, and SC is initialized by N. And after we got this all information, we just check the value of AC including C. If C equal to 0, then we perform the operation shift left on C, AC and Q by 1 bit, and after that AC plus M bar plus 1 we perform. AC plus M bar plus 1 means AC minus M. So before we solve the questions, we also find out the data of M bar plus 1. It's a 2's complement of M. If after that, if the value of C is equal to 0, then perform the operations shift left C, AC and Q by 1 bit and perform the operation AC plus M after shifting. And after that again in both operation, if C equal to 0 or C equal to 1, both operation will be performed. After that again check the value of AC. If C equal to 0 or C equal to 1, again in that case after shifting the left side, then Q0 element or Q0 position is empty, so we fill the in the second time we check the value of AC. In that time we fill this empty value by checking the value of C. If C equal to 0, then Q0 goes to 1. If C equal to 1, then Q0 goes to 0. And after that perform the operation SC minus 1. SC is a sequence counter that is decremented by 1. If the SC is not equal to 0, then again the operation will be performed by checking the value of AC, and if SC is equal to 0, then again we perform the operation to check the value of AC. If AC is negative, means C equal to 1, then we perform AC plus M operation. If the AC value is not equal to 1 or equal to 0, means it is positive, then the algorithm is AND. So this is the flowchart of the algorithm. Now there is some key points regarding algorithm. It is very important. Number 1 key point: in division algorithm, when an integer binary number is positive, then the sign is represented by 0 and the magnitude by positive binary numbers. And when an integer binary number is negative, then the sign is represented by 1, the magnitude by positive binary number. Now simply means positive sign equal to 0 or negative sign equal to 1. It is under the sign magnitude representation. And the second key point is, don't count sign bit as a whole data. They store separately in AS or BS. Point number 3, initially number of 0 in AC should be equal to total digits in dividend, that is Q. Key point number 4, divisor M is always taken as n plus 1, where n is the number of bits in dividend Q. SC sequence counter represents the number of dividend bits Q, and it is a sequence counter that is continuously decremented till equal to the number of bits n reached to 0. key point number 6, discard overflow or extra bit while adding or subtracting operation is performed to AC. And last key point is we will get our final answer in AC as remainder. And always remember, don't take C in AC and Q as quotient. Now we just check the flowchart of description. Now after find out all the necessary value, follow the flowchart and firstly check the value of AC including C bit. If C equal to 0, then shift C AC Q in left and perform AC plus M bar plus 1. Else C equal to 1, then shift C AC Q in left and perform AC plus M. After that, after did this check the value of C, if C equal to 1, then Q0 equal to 0, else C equal to 0, then Q0 equal to 1, and SC goes to decremented by 1. If SC is equal to 0, then check the value of AC with C. If C equal to 0, then AND the algorithm. Else C equal to 1, then perform AC plus M and then AND the algorithm. Else SC is not equal to 0, then repeat the algorithm by step 1. Now take the example. So here we take the example of solve the question by division algorithm. Minus 12 divided by plus 4. Start the solve to question. Dividend Q equal to minus 12 as given in question, and divisor M equal to plus 4 by the question. So the binary value of minus 12 equal to 11100. There is leftmost 1 represent the sign bit, and divisor M plus 4 value is 0100. There is also leftmost bit 0 represent the sign bit of divisor, and without sign bit dividend Q, that is 12 equal to 1100, and divisor 4 divisor M 4 equal to 100. But according to algorithm, we always take 1 bit extra in divisor M as compared to dividend Q. So M equal to 00100, that is under the key point number 4, and we also find out the value M bar plus 1 we need in the algorithm. So M bar plus 1 equal to 11100, M bar plus 1 equal to minus M. Both are the same thing. AC equal to 0000. This is the initial value of AC under the key point number 3, and we take C equal to 0 initially and SC equal to 4. This is the sequence counter, key point number 5. Now we find out all the values to solve the question. So start to solve the question. Firstly, arrange the data in that particular format to solve the question. C, AC, Q, SC and operation. So we know and put the initial value of, we have C equal to 0, AC equal to 0 0 0 0, Q equal to 1 1 0 0 and SC initial value is 4. So start the solve the question. Check the value of AC including C bit. So firstly, there is I dark the value, that is I check in the question. So there is the value of C is 0, initial value is 0. So shift C, AC and Q in left by 1 bit and Q0 is empty at that particular after shifting. So the value of C is, after shifting, C is 0, AC is 0 0 0 1 and Q value is 1 0 0 and Q0 is empty. Now perform the operation AC plus M bar plus 1, because we got the values equal to 0, that's why we perform this operation. So after adding this, we have a value of M bar plus 1 is 1 1 1 0 0. Now we add this value in AC. So we got the value of AC including C is 1 1 1 0 1. Now in that particular point, we also check the value of C. So in that case, we find the value of C is equal to 1. So Q0 goes to 0 and SC is decremented by 1. So there is SC goes to 3, that is previously the value of SC is 4. Now again check the value of C. If C equal to 1, then shift CAC and Q in left by 1 bit and Q0 is empty, and after that perform the operation AC plus M. There is M equal to 0 0 1 0 0. Add this value in the AC including C. After adding, we got the value 1 1 1 1 1, and there we also find out the value of C equal to 1, so Q0 equal to 0 and SC is decremented by 1. So there is a value of SC is 2. Now again there we check the value of SC is equal to 0 or not. If there is not, the value of SC is not equal to 0, then again loop is going on. So check the value of C including AC. So the value of C is 1. So we shift the C, AC and Q left by 1 bit and Q0 goes to empty, and we also perform the operation AC plus M. There is the value of M is 0 0 1 0 0. We add this value in 1 1 1 1 0. So we got the value after adding 0 0 0 1 0, and here we also got some extra bit, one extra bit. So we discard this overflow bit or extra bit according to our key points, And now again check the value of C equal to 0, then Q0 equal to 1, and SC is decremented by 1. So the value of SC is 1. Now if SC is not equal to 0, then again check the value of C, that is 0. So shift C, AC and Q in left by 1 bit, and Q0 is empty, and perform the operation AC plus M bar plus M. So after performing, we have the value of CAC is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and the value of Q is 0, 0, 1, 1, and SC is decremented by 1, so the value of SC is 0. Now if we got the value of SC is equal to 0, then stop the algorithm because SC equal to 0, and check the value of AC including C. So the value of C dot AC equal to 0 dot 0, 0, 0, 0. If C equal to 0, then end the algorithm, and the remainder is in AC without C, and quotient is in Q. So Q equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, and AC equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Including sign bit by the table, the Q equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and AC equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have a quotient 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is our final output of the question. Thank you guys.